All right, so now that we know we talk about stock splits, now that we know that, let's get into practicing understanding them, okay? Now that we know what we're talking about, let's get into practicing. Y'all ready? Get your math, so the math can be mathing now, okay? All right, you have a stock. It is trading at $500. It does a 10-for-1 stock split. After the split, if you had one share, how many shares are you going to have? Two-part answer. And what is the price point? So now, let me break that down because I'm going to ask y'all another practice question because I want to make sure you got it, okay? So if before the split, it was $500 and you had one share, okay? And if you know it's doing a 10-for-1 stock split, what that means is after the split, you're going to take the one share and multiply it by 10. So that's why you got 10 shares after. The other thing you're going to do is you're going to take the price and divide it by 10. That's how you end up with 50. So let me say it again. However many shares you have before, you're going to multiply that by the actual split number. The split number was 10. 10 for 1, so you multiply it by 10. So if you have one share before, you're going to have 10. 1 times 10 is 10 afterwards, okay? If the price before was 500, you're going to divide that number by the multiplier, which was 10. So that's how you end up with the 50. So you're going to have one share at 500 before and 10 shares at 50 after. Okay? So now, the question now is, it's a true or false question. True or false question. The value after the split is more than before. Is that true or false? The value before and after has to be equal. Okay? Because 1 times 500 is 500. 10 times 50 is 500. The value has got to be the same before and after. Awesome job. Write this down. You divide the price by the multiplier. You divide the price and then write down you multiply the shares. There you go. Okay? That way everybody got it. Okay? Divide the price, multiply the shares. Divide the price, multiply the shares. Okay? You have more of the stock after. You have more shares after. That is correct. The number of shares you have is more afterwards, right? But the valuation is still the same. Okay? That's right. Equal value before and after the split. That is correct. All right?